Hey guys, how do you light your job site? I want to share with you how we use the Milwaukee LED lighting products to improve visibility on all phases of our remodeling project. And a lot of guys don't know this, but since starting 5 years ago, Milwaukee is now the largest provider of job site LED lighting in the tool industry. And they offer everything, solutions from start to finish. So, I mean things like personal lighting like this flashlight, to task, area, overhead, and even temporary lighting in commercial applications. Here's how we use Milwaukee lighting to get our job done. Prior to even being awarded the project, I meet with my clients and inspect the property or project. And with me at all times at these meetings is my personal rechargeable flashlight. I use it for dark areas, basements, attics, wherever I need to get better lighting. I love the flashlight because it puts out 700 lumens, super bright, fully rechargeable up to 2,000 times through Milwaukee's USB batteries, a little USB port right here. It's also IP67, which means it's durable, waterproof, and dustproof, and I drop it all the time. Once I get the project, it transitions. We then start looking at task, area, and overhead lighting, and that's where the M18 radius compact light comes in. And I like this for a couple of reasons. Area and task lighting. It puts out 2200 lumen for area, large illumination, large work areas, and 1000 lumens off this little spotlight. There's no application that this light doesn't handle for me. It also offers more than enough light in a day with up to 18 hours of runtime on an XC, 18 volt XC 5 amp hour battery, but I can also plug it in with an AC inlet right here for extended runtime for long periods of time. And it's compact enough that my team and I can take this on and off the job site and store it in our vehicles with no problem. Additionally, the best part, 4 1/4 inch hook, metal hook, allows me to hang this thing above, which gives me better lighting and less cords on the ground. I also want to say that they built it durable for job sites. So polycarbonate lens, super durable, harsh, it's going to withstand the harsh job sites. Once we get power on our job sites, we then transition from battery to cords. And that's when we use these lights and we daisy chain them with electrical cords and we string them through the rooms. And then when I transition to the final stage, we already have electrical and lights in our job sites. I use this USB Rover, and I use this to inspect paint finishes on cabinets and walls and trim and things like that. It's also USB rechargeable, and I keep it in my glove box. Look, in the old days, we used outdated technology, halogen, incandescent metal halide. These lights were fragile, very hot, and in some situations a fire hazard, and they broke all the time. So I get it. It's the upfront cost of LED lighting can probably be intimidating. It's why we still see old lighting technology and cheap lights and lights that are not even designed for a job site used on job sites still. But with these super durable, long-lasting, high-performance lights, Milwaukee's challenging how we look at lighting as an investment. So here's the fun part, guys. Milwaukee is having an LED job site takeover contest. What does that mean? It means right now, the month of October, Milwaukee is running a major contest to generate awareness on their LED lighting solutions for residential and commercial projects. During the contest, during the month of October, you have a chance to enter to win a lighting takeover for your job site. Milwaukee is looking for users who have job sites that are using outdated lighting technology. That's halogens, incandescent lights, clip lights, or they're using solutions that are not designed for the job site, like lamps and things like that. I've seen all kinds of crazy stuff over the years. So if you think you have a job site worthy of a takeover, you can enter. The contest has a website page. It's milwaukeetool.com, Light the Site webpage. I put a link right down below in the description of this vehicle. I made it easy for you. Just click the link. And at the end of October, Milwaukee will pick one winner to win the takeover. That means that they're going to work with the winner to determine more than $5,000 worth of lighting solutions catered to what they do in their job site needs. Hey, if you won, I bet that would brighten your day. Good luck, y'all, and I hope you win.